Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to give you information on weekly timesheet setting. For accessing that, come up to the side menu, click settings, and under that, the option is there for timesheets. Under timesheets, click weekly timesheets. This settings is going to give a user an additional feature where they can submit their timesheets, their manual timesheets in a weekly pattern. If you are going to give the authority to all of the users in one go, that will be a global change you can do from here. If you wish to do an individual setting against each member name, that can be done from this place. You can just toggle between yes and no to give the access or remove the access for adding the weekly timesheet against the specific member. This was all about the weekly timesheet settings menu. Thank you.